everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Killer car, guys. Really restored to factory specs. Original color combination. This is high Impact Tor red. I believe it's got most of the original white interior, factory black vinyl top, matching numbers drivetrain. I've checked the engine and trans. They are both matching numbers. The car comes with the original broadcast sheet. Car was bought new by an NHL player and his family. But cool car. I love the color combination. Again, 70 Cudas, Barracudas. Just great inventory, man. These are great looking cars. People love them. They are highly sought after. They're hard to find. And this is a nice, straight car. And again, original drivetrain, broadcast sheet. Really neat car. Love the factory high impact color combination. It's only got 70-some thousand original miles on it. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the factory 15-inch rallies. Original fender mount turn signals. I mean, the car is slick. Couple little touch-up marks I saw on it. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. Nice car. You can see a couple little blemishes in your grill. This front bumper, I believe, is original. I think they replaced the rear bumper. I think this is the original vinyl top. I mean, this is just a good, solid, straight car. You can see the dash is nice in there. Again, I believe it's got the original interior still in it. Glass is nice. I wish we had some sunshine, but unfortunately we got a couple of days of rain here, guys. Matter of fact, I'm rushing this a little bit. We haven't had a chance to really, like check out the lights and stuff on it, but I pretty much think everything's working on it. Again, matching numbers 33 car. Car sits good, paint slick, nice and straight down the sides there. Again, I think that's a new rear bumper. Unfortunately, the rain messes up our videos. Stops us from getting to do anything. BFGs all the way around it. Those are two 55-60s in the rear, two 25s in the front. Paint on the car's nice. It's slick. Matching numbers 33. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake in it, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes. They have upgraded it to electronic ignition. It's got the matching number 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, Mopar radiator. Like I say, just an original, just a good, honest, straight old car, guys. Is what it is. I think a lot of stuff's actually original on the car. I really didn't want my guys to over detail it. Obviously, it's been repainted, but this is the original color. This car's pretty out in the sunlight too. This is a new chrome remote mirror. Door handles look original. I think all this stuff in here is original. Original door tag. I think a lot of this paint and the jams is original. Again, all the interior is original, it looks like. I've got new floor mats coming for it. It looks like it's got new sill plates on it. Factory bucket seats with the wood grain console, factory steering wheel, factory dash. Looks like the original headliner in it. You can see that somebody at one time had put a couple little holes in that center console. 77,916. Original dash and gauges. I think they said we got a, it's got a radio delete plate in it. It was been a factory AM radio. They just never put a radio back in it. It's got an X-pipe dual exhaust system in it, 8 3/4, 323 rear end. They did, what do they call it, paint it black in here. This would have been originally body color. Original broadcast sheet. There's a breakdown on your fender tag. There's also a show board that goes with the car. Make sure that gets in the trunk. Floors are clean. Just a good car, man. Turn the key, go cruising. You see those door seams are nice and clean. This is a good car. I mean, the seats are, padding's nice. I mean, I think this car's lived just a pretty easy life. It's a nice car. There's a couple little breaks in that steering wheel. Again, that little mark in your center console looks like it's got all the seat belts and stuff in there. Runs and drives as sweet as can be. Like I say, I took it down the road, good car. I think all the fender, I'm getting ahead of myself. Just trying to show you that when the hood shuts. I think all your fender mount turn signals and stuff like that worked. Not working? Oh, they were working. I checked them when I was driving it. We do got, yeah, the temp gauge doesn't work. We're gonna have to get that fixed. It comes on, blower motor works. It comes on, it just immediately pegs. So there's probably the sending unit. That's just a nice car right there. Again, no radio in it. Blower motor does work. The vent works, I know that. So when I took off down the road, the air was blowing in on me. Or little turn signals popped out there a little bit. I'll have the guys check that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us, guys. Look at that car. It's just a good, straight old car.